Hi, thank you for choosing this video to watch. Behind me I have some boxes that I built. They're circuits that help to create interesting patterns in musical sounds, hopefully. And I forgot what they did. I've been trying to figure it out. I thought I'd show it to you while I had them out because I'm in the process of reconfiguring everything. So here they are. We'll just do it. So this one obviously I didn't make. It's a sequencer and tone generator all in one, built by Sarah Michelle. And there's a link right up here to her channel. This is a little attack release, a little envelope and VCA. This is sort of a Logic box. I'm proud of it because it's very pretty. See how pretty that is? I anodized and dyed this aluminum panel myself, and I etched it on the laser etcher. What it does, I can't rightly remember, but there's two inputs, one output, and you twiddle these knobs and it makes different patterns. Right? So this sequencer, I never really brought it out because it's kind of embarrassing. I drilled 7 holes, but it's an 8-step sequencer, so I had to drill an extra hole up top, and it looks kind of funny when it does play. So it's not it's not a great demonstration of my prowess. I have these all patched into my purchased modules, and we'll just play around with it and make some pretty sound.